come in a bag. Now it's in a big old heavy box. Maybe because it's, you know, fall stuff, winter stuff, whatever. It's like a big old heavy bundle. And in it is a return envelope. Hopefully I don't need to return too much of it because I don't think it'll all fit. And then you get this little envelope with your prices and stuff. It says, don't forget, refer a friend and get a $50 credit on your next shipment. Whew. Take 10 full days. Credit card will only be charged with items you're keeping. Yada, yada, yada. They want feedback. So if you don't know what We Blessings is, I think it started with kids stuff, but now it's like men, women, teenagers, everybody, kids. And it's brand names you've heard of. Like this one's got Style & Co., Lucky, Karen Scott, Charter Club, Old Navy. So it's brands you've heard of, and everything's 40 to 60% off. Average 50% off. So let's tear this puppy open and see what we get. There's a peek. They're pretty good about packing it the way it is on the price list if you open this thing right. Okay, this first one is, I guess it's a cardigan, but you could wear it just as a top. Charter Club black and white button-up sweater, retail price $44.98, your price $20. So this is more than 50% off. Not sure, maybe. The next one is Style & Co. Dark Grape. It feels like, you know, the stuff they make long underwear out of. Oh, it's a cold shoulder. But it's got long sleeves. So it's a winter cold shoulder. And you know me, I'm into purple lately. But I'm kind of done with cold shoulders, so it's got kind of like cuffed wrists. So that one is retail price $52.50, my price $22. So that's more than 50% off also. This one is kind of cute. Karen Scott Intrepid Blue, $49.50 is the retail price, $22 my cost. See, I don't know if you can see it, it's got different little textures on it. And I don't know if that's long sleeve or 3/4 sleeve. And it's got little buttons on both sides, or just one side? Just one side. Buttons on one side. Nope, I could be in trouble because so far I like all of these. I don't usually like green, but this is a pretty green. Lucky brand green stitchwork shirt, $49.50 down to $22. So these are all about 60% off. It's got like little, it's cut out right here. Well, no, I guess not. It's just stitched on, and it's got a few little, not buttons down all the way. What do they call this? Henley? That's what it looks like. I like this one too. Oh man, this could be bad. This one is Style & Co. gray and white striped long sleeve shirt. Oh, this is cute too. I have a sweater like this almost, but it's teeny tiny stripes. It's long sleeve, kind of medium weight, not kind of lightweight. This one is Style & Co. Gray and white striped, $54.50 down to $23. Not sure about this one. Some of these prints to me look like old lady prints. I do look good in red and black, but I'm not sure about the print on this one. It's like big giant flowers, roses, I guess they are. Charter Club, red and black, floral print, $22.98 down to $12. Ooh, $12. There's a little sticker on it. What's the sticker say? Perfectly soft Prima cotton. And then this is, they say it's burgundy, but it looks brown to me. They're Old Navy burgundy style leggings. $29.99 down to $16. I'm not loving the color. It's too brown looking to me. Doesn't look burgundy at all. I'm not sure what I would wear it with. Don't think I would get this one. I may not even try it on. I don't particularly care for it. But I could try all the tops on for you. Oh, those were, I told you, $29.99 down to $16. I looked them up online, and this particular brand of Old Navy runs anywhere from $15 to $20. So this $29.99, they're saying their cost is not really correct. They are pretty heavy, heavier than I really need. They don't feel like leggings, they feel like just heavy pants. So, yeah, don't want those. I have burgundy leggings on, so I'm probably gonna have to put something else on to try these clothes on with, because some of them aren't gonna go very good with burgundy leggings. So we shall try some of these on in just a bit. Alrighty, what did we think of these? The first one I tried on was, hopefully I can get them back in the right order, but you'll figure it out. I like this one okay. I just didn't love it. I got lots of sweaters. So it looked okay. It looked good buttoned down. I mean, unbuttoned with a white tank under it or something, but I don't think I'm gonna get it just because it was okay. I just didn't love it. I think I tried this one on and I like the color. I'm really into purple, but I'm kind of over the cold shoulder thing. I think it's out of fashion now. So I don't think I'm gonna get this one either. This one's a maybe. I thought it was really cute. And surprisingly, I liked it, even though I'm not a real green person, but I thought it was pretty green, kind of a bluey green. And I like the little G-jaws around it. This one was, how much was this one? $22. This one I thought was a little tight and the neck was a little high for me, so I think this one's going to be a no. It's cute. I like stripes, especially these big wide stripes, but I just think it fit a little off. So that one's going to be a no. Surprisingly, I think I liked this better than I thought I would on. What do y'all think? It's only $12. Is it $12? Yeah, it's only $12. Do you think it's an old lady print, or do you think it looked good on? So this one's a maybe. This one I liked too. This is the third maybe. This navy blue one with the buttons on the sleeve, and this, it's got kind of like different kinds of textures on it. So this one was, where is it? Oh, this one was 22. This was 12, and this one was 22. So that's $56 if I got all three of them, which is not bad at all. I don't want the pants for sure. And those other 3, 4, however many it was, I don't think I want. So these are the 3. Unless y'all talk me into one of those other ones, these are the 3 I'm considering. What do you think? I have 10 days to decide, so let me know. I really like We Blessings. If you're thinking about trying it, it's $8 to ship it to you, which I think it comes off of anything you buy, but there's no styling fee or anything, just the $8 to ship it to you, and then it comes off of what you buy. And, you know, as you can see, the prices, these were all about 60% off. But sometimes they're like last year's fashions, but for the most part, I don't care, except the cold shoulder I'm kind of over, but for the most part, I don't care if these are last year's. They look fine to me. So if you're thinking about doing it, I'll put my little link down below, and you can get me some money off if you, I don't think you get anything off, but you can help me get something off. So let me know what you think, and I would recommend giving it a try. I've been very pleased with it. I like it way better than Nadine West because it's similar or cheaper pricing than Nadine West. Nadine West is getting, so everything's like 30 to 40 bucks a thing, and this was all in the 20s or less. And this is higher quality, so I'm leaning towards getting this all the time. Well, I was getting it every month, and I decided that was too much, and I emailed them, and they said, just whatever you want. Do you want every other month? Do you want every 3 months, every 6 months? Whatever you want. So I chose it every other month, but I might back it off to every 3 months because I just have so many clothes that I really don't need a lot more. But, you know, can you ever really have too many clothes? Yeah, you can. Right now, I'm in that transition stage in Texas where it's hot one day and cold the next. So I've got winter, spring, summer, fall, all in my closet, and it doesn't all fit. I've still got some of the winter stuff in, well, I haven't hung it in my closet yet, but some of the fall stuff I've dragged out, but I haven't put the summer stuff away yet. So yeah, that transition period in fall and in spring, my closet just gets packed. And then eventually when I put the summer stuff away, I'll have more room in my closet. And then in the spring, when I put the winter stuff away, I'll have more room. But these transition periods, my closet gets full. So anyway, let me know what you think. Should I keep any of the other ones that I said I wasn't sure about, or just these 3, or any of these 3, or no, or yes, or particularly this one. It's only $12, but did you think it looked frumpy, or did you think it looked cute? I was surprised I liked it better than I thought I would. So anyway, that's We Blessings for you. Let me know what you thought.